Where you at? Where you at? I need your permission. I need some assistance. Girl, you got me on a mission. I put you right in this position. I take my key and put it right in your ignition. I started up like an engine. Start it up. I just wanna start it up. I just wanna start it up. Start it up. Cause you don't let that thing run long enough. Two beep beepin'. I'll fuck around and fall asleep in it. Both cold smell, I go for leaps in it. I hear them niggas when they sneak this shit. I don't really care about the rumors, I go deep in it. Waking up the neighbors when I'm freaking it. Your ex hit up your line, we decline this shit. Cause you know he be tryna kill the vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. Don't kill my vibe, kill my vibe, kill my vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. Don't kill my vibe, kill my vibe, kill my vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. No vibe, kill my vibe, kill my vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. Don't kill my vibe, kill my vibe. Hold on, wait. Fuck the bedroom, we in the hallway. She got a nigga ripping up the lingerie. She wanted 69, I get the foreplay. I just put her legs behind her head. She told me I'm the best she ever had. Switching gears and now I'm on my last. So when she tell a nigga rev it up, I started up like an engine. Start it up. I just wanna start it up. I just wanna start it up. Start it up. Cause you don't let that thing run long enough. Two beep beepin'. I'll fuck around and fall asleep in it. Both cold smell, I go for leaps in it. I hear them niggas when they sneak this shit. I don't really care about the rumors, I go deep in it. Waking up the neighbors when I'm freaking it. Your ex hit up your line, we decline this shit. Cause you know he be tryna kill the vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. Kill my vibe, kill my vibe, kill my vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. Kill my vibe, kill my vibe, kill my vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. No vibe, kill my vibe, kill my vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. Kill my vibe, kill my vibe. Two beep beepin'. I'll fuck around and fall asleep in it. Both cold smell, I go for leaps in it. I hear them niggas when they sneak this shit. I don't really care about the rumors, I go deep in it. Waking up the niggas when I'm freaking it. Yeah, exit up your line, we can climb this shit. Cause you know he be tryna kill the vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. Kill my vibe, kill my vibe, kill my vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. Kill my vibe, kill my vibe, kill my vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. No vibe, kill my vibe, kill my vibe. He be tryna kill the vibe. Kill my vibe, kill my vibe.
Reaching for my goals, I drive slow. Reaching for my goals, oh, I drive slow.
I just wanna tell you, girl, you the reason, you the reason. When I'm feeling lonely, girl, you the reason, you the reason. I just wanna tell you, girl.
Pull up for my fellas, pull up for my ladies, yeah.
But I ain't never worried, girl.
Pull up for my fellas, pull up for my ladies, yeah.
Yeah, check it out, you the reason why my life changed, yeah. You the reason why my shit went left. It's all good, I don't need you to do your thing. You the reason why I just gotta get the check, You the reason why I gotta go get it, to be honest. I just wanna see the top. You the reason why a young nigga still grinding so hard, cause I gotta get that drop, By any means, I'ma get it, my nigga. Focus on you, handle your business, my nigga. Don't worry about the bitches, my nigga, cause they gon' be around, especially when you winning, my nigga. From humble beginnings like Al Pacino, I keep it hot like a cappuccino. So fuck you, I'ma do me. The rest of the shits is back to zero.
I just wanna tell you, girl, you the reason, you the reason. When I'm feeling lonely, girl, you the reason, you the reason.
for my goals, girl. I just stop. Reaching for my goals. I just stop. Reaching for my goals, girl. I just stop. Okay, I'm reaching for my goals. I just stop. Reaching for my goals, girl. I just stop. Okay, I'm reaching for my goals. I just stop. Reaching for my goals, girl. I just stop.
I'm trippy. The sauce is dripping. I'm so gone and the clothes off. She's screaming, but I just put the tip in. I turn a pussy to a victim, but I'm going in with permission. I used to be chasing these bitches, now I'm going in with a vision. Never leave the crib without a tool. These are just things that I gotta do. I can't say I'm proud that I dropped out of school, but ever since I've been making these moves, I swear my life's been a movie. I'm 20 years young and I'm choosy. I used to trap out of the BM, then I switch it up to a Subi. I'm 20 years young and I'm rudy. I might turn your bitch to a groupie. Yeah, she do you after she do me. Yeah, you wipe up cause you foolish. I don't ever show them no love, all they do is hit me up. I just sit and switch it up, I don't ever fall in love. I don't really give a fuck cause I swear to God my whole life I ain't never had shit. So I got up on my ass and I went and got it. And now these bitches hit me up saying that they need me. I tell them I am not the one, you gotta believe me now. You gotta believe me now. They act like they need me now, but they do not need me now. And now I'm so gone. They were so wrong. The money is gone. I'm smoking on strong. Yeah, I'm rolling up a woods. Yeah, you know I wrote it good, yeah. The opposition wanna test me, yeah, you know I wish they would, yeah. And I don't got a lot of dogs, I just keep a couple rare ones round me. I know that they got me, and I don't ever hit my ex, no. I don't call her for the sex, no. You know I had to move on. She had me down for too long. She had me fucked up, had to get up out of there before it was too late, yeah. But I've been good ever since. I've been busy getting rich. I've been working on the sound. I've been making something out of nothing. No, they never paid attention. All that I got was a red message, so I don't ever show them no love. All they do is hit me up. I don't ever fall in love. I just sit and switch it up. I don't really give a fuck cause I swear to God my whole life I ain't never had shit. So I got up on my ass and I went and got it. And now these bitches hit me up saying that they